Have you ever used a finger mouse or heard of Ringo? In this video, we will look at some coolest gadgets you can actually buy. Links with the prices are in the description below. Let's go! Number 1. Nature X. Tired of having multiple devices to control all the smart devices in your home? Meet Nature X, the ultimate multifunctional controller and smart home gateway. With Nature X, you can control your curtains, adjust your lights, adjust the room temperature, play music, and much more, all with just a few clicks or a simple turn of the switch. It also comes with a high-resolution OLED button, display and 16 million color illusion light effects that will blow your mind. With its metal base and 43-dig elevation angle design, Nature X will look great on any desk. Nature X also has a built-in speaker and professional ambient indicators, making it the perfect companion for your daily routine, and with software-defined physical buttons that can be pressed up to 50 million times. You'll enjoy a typewriter-like touch experience. Number 2. Cozmo Robot. Cozmo makes you feel like he's just walked out of a movie with his unique voice, witty facial expressions, and quick-to-respond body language. This instructional toy robot is precisely constructed for durability and security, and is easier to use than you might imagine. Cozmo is the ideal educational robot for children and adults to learn creative coding, because it has a user-friendly interface. Cozmo's new 2-megapixel camera will improve his facial recognition, allowing him to identify pets and even determine whether you're grinning. Number 3. Ringo. Hey fitness enthusiasts, tired of fiddling with your phone and water bottle during your workout? Say hello to Ringo. This innovative water bottle and phone stand changes the game with its adjustable position. You can use your phone in portrait or landscape mode, making it perfect for capturing content, watching videos, following workouts, or even sitting at your desk. Plus, with the strong MagSafe foam mount, your phone stays securely in place while you're on the go. But that's not all. Ringo also keeps your drinks at the perfect temperature all day, thanks to its premium double-walled stainless steel design with the professional-grade magnetic tripod mount. You can use it hands-free whether the bottle is full or empty. So if you're ready to take your workouts to the next level, or just want an easy way to stay connected on the go, Ringo is the perfect solution. Number 4. Electric Spin Scrubber. The cleaning powers of the electric spin brush are impressive, with a powerful 3.7-volt battery and a high-torque motor. This electric scrubber can clean for up to 70 minutes at a time and can fully recharge in 2 hours. Less than 70 decibels of operating noise are maintained, and the motor's 100-degree auto-off safety assures a long lifespan. You can effectively remove even the hardest stains from your floor, kitchen, or bathroom for all of your cleaning requirements. The power of your electric scrub brush is the ideal choice. This scrubber can handle all of your cleaning needs, from your bathroom and kitchen to the windows, bathtub, floor, and toilet. This may be used in rainy situations, thanks to its waterproof IP7 rating and fully sealed construction, prepared to streamline your cleaning process with this adaptable and effective homemade. Number 5. Rooted Planter. Tired of the same old boring planters and want to add some excitement to your living space? Look no further, because a rooted planter is here to upgrade your room and wow your guests. This impressive build not only looks great, but has the strength to carry up to 10 pounds. You can use it for everything from herbs to phones, and even condiments. Thanks to some clever physics tricks, let's not forget about aesthetics. High-strength steel cables blend into the background, giving the planter a sleek and modern look. It is the perfect combination of power and beauty. So whether you're a plant lover or just want to add some flair to your decor, Rooted Planter is the way to go. Get ready to transform your space and surprise your guests. Number 6. Eye Massager. Are you someone who spends a lot of time looking at screens? Do your eyes feel tired and exhausted after a long day of work? If your answer is yes, you should take a look at this massager. This magical device uses a combination of vibration, heat, and air pressure to give you a wonderful eye massage experience. SDV technology allows you to relieve eye strain and fatigue. The real effects of a massage you can also enjoy are your favorite music. Thanks to 2 air cushions that fit every facial structure, and don't worry about the size of your head, because it has a self-adjusting elastic strap that keeps it snug on all head sizes. Say goodbye to eye strain and fatigue, and say hello to relaxation with this massager. Number 7. Wireless Microphone. Tired of being stuck in the studio all day? Get ready to do your creative work on the go with this wireless microphone. This microphone offers dual-channel lossless reception. This means you can easily interview people when you're out and about without having to share a microphone. But that's not all. This microphone is designed for ultimate convenience. It's super easy to attach to your jacket and even magnetically attach it. With a massive 15-hour battery life when used with the charging case, you can record for as long as you want without worrying about running out of battery. In addition, TrueLink wireless transmission quality offers an enormous range of 200 meters. This means you can record and move around without being tied to a single point. Whether you're a content creator, journalist, or just someone who wants to capture life's moments with professional quality. Number 8. Finger Mouse. A lightweight mouse that can be readily connected through Bluetooth and has a 10-meter walking range. As the wearable smart pointer/controller by Cozmo, the Finger Mouse's battery life is up to 5 hours, and charging it with a micro USB is simple to navigate. Your phone, computer, and other smart devices may use the wireless mouse as a remote control. The goal is to make everything simple and convenient for you wherever you are. Number 9. Gaming Earbuds. Get ready to take your gaming experience to the next level with these earbuds. These are a real game changer because they combine ultra-low latency and flawless sound quality in an incredibly comfortable design. Plus, the futuristic design is perfect for any gamer out there. It's like Cyberblade was designed specifically for the coolest people in the house. It's you, and let's talk about the triangular shape of these headphones. In addition, the elegant RGB lighting integrated into the charging case and cradle allows you to express your own personality. But the main point is this provides ultra-low latency of up to 36 ms without sacrificing sound quality. This means you'll hear everything with crystal clear precision. Number 10. HaloLock. Tired of constantly searching for multiple chargers for your Apple devices? Say hello to this 3-in-1 wireless charger with Cryo Boost. This gorgeous MagSafe style wireless charging stand is here to revolutionize the way you charge your devices. AirPods have magnetic charging pad and Apple Watch charging stand, as well as Cryo Boost fast charging technology. With its foam cooling fan and heat dissipating design, it provides incredibly fast MagSafe charging while keeping your device cool. It also features a sleep-friendly dark charging mode, so you can charge your devices overnight without distractions. The best part is it is extremely easy to install and comes with an extra long cable, giving you the flexibility to use it anywhere. Keep your devices powered up and ready to use with this 3-in-1 wireless charger. Number 11. Meta Quest 2. Discover a growing library of over 350 games, multiplayer and entertainment titles, including exclusive blockbuster releases and utterly original VR experiences in blockbuster fantasies. You can explore different realms, experience terrifying adventures, or work with others in cutting-edge environments, gather in amazing communal spaces and multiplayer arenas to watch live events with friends and family. Discover a new workout partner or participate in missions with other adventurers. Number 12. AuraOne. The ultimate backpack for all your adventure needs. This backpack changes the rules of the game as it fits in a super small size, making it the perfect travel companion for all your everyday travel and adventure needs. It provides ample space for all your essentials. This backpack from others is its wardrobe organization system. It helps you organize your clothes so you can easily find what you are looking for. No need to shuffle through mixed clothes anymore. This is 100% waterproof, so you can safely store your wet or dirty items without worry. Lightweight, durable, and practical makes it the perfect travel companion. Number 13. Enabot. Meet your new guardian. This little guy is a family member. You never knew you needed advanced AI technology in auto navigation. It can easily detect objects and navigate around them. It can also recognize the faces of family members, so you can be sure that your loved ones are safe. You can also easily mark prohibited areas in your home with the intrusion warning for certain areas and receive notifications when someone intrudes, and with far-field sound sensors and a 4-microphone array. It can hear a child crying or someone calling for help, and with the lightning-fast chip you can map your home accurately and quickly. Number 14. Speakerphone Hub. Tired of dealing with poor quality audio during your virtual meetings? Look no further. This professional speakerphone is perfect for your conference calls and meetings, offering premium noise reduction technology and crystal clear sound over a 5-meter and 360-degree range. HiDock also has 5 USB-C ports, making it easy to connect to a variety of different applications. It offers a simplified interface that allows you to effortlessly navigate between meetings and manage your resources with complete privacy and security, and with a 4 Kelvin movie quality, including pristine audio quality, simplified setup, and enhanced privacy control. So why settle for below average audio quality? We hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to tap that subscribe button and notification bell so we can keep in touch. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.